Math Wizard, can you tell me how many gallons of water does our washing machine hold?
I'm not sure, but let's figure that out. First thing we're going to need is a tape measure. What we're going to do is we're going to measure this area inside the washing machine. And the shape is a cylinder. Now the volume of a cylinder is what we need to figure out first. So we need to find the radius, and we square it, multiply it times pi, and then multiply it times the height. So let's go ahead and get started with that. First thing I'll do is I'll check the radius. Now the radius is from the center point of a circle out to the side. Since I don't really have a center point here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to measure the diameter, which is all the way across the circle, and then I'll take half of that. All the way across is 18 inches. That's 1.5 feet. So half of 1.5 feet will be 0.75 feet. And we need to square that. The radius is going to be squared. So far we have the volume will equal pi times the radius, which is 0.75 feet, squared. Now the last part we need to know is the height. Now the reason I'm doing this in feet is it's easier to convert cubic feet to gallons rather than cubic inches to gallons. Alright, and the height is, you can see right here, is 24 inches, which is 2 feet. So we use 2 feet for our height. And now we just need to do the multiplication. Alright, so as you can see here, we're going to do 0.75, and we're going to square that. If I turn this, I think I have it squared, yep. Okay, when I square 0.75, I'm going to just round it to 0.56. And then we're multiplying that times pi times 2. So pi is 3.14. So we multiply 3.14 times 5.6 times 2. And we get 3.5. We'll round it to 3.5. So we have 3.5, and since this is volume, we're dealing with cubic measurement. Cubic measurement means it's three-dimensional. So we have 3.5 cubic feet. And that looks like this. We have 3.5 feet, and we say to the third power, which is cubic. Alright, now, if we look up on Google real quick, how many gallons are in each cubic foot? We have 1 cubic foot is about 7.48 gallons. So we're going to multiply that times 7.48. Let's go back to our calculator. So we have 3.5 times 7.48, and that gives us just about, or we have 26.4, so almost 26.5 gallons. So we'll say 26.4 gallons. The answer to how many gallons our wash machine holds is 26.4 gallons.
26.4 gallons? Wow, Math Wizard, I can wash everything!